Monday, December 8th, 2025. What are gold and silver and precious metals prices going to do today? Today, we look at our gold and silver prices, our precious metals prices, and one more. Well, good morning, everybody. Happy coffee right here in Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I know I did. Gosh, we celebrated our family Christmas, kind of like, the Clark Griswold Christmas vacation Christmas. We had ours this last Saturday, watched a little football, and had a couple beverages and played Dirty Santa. It was a great time, everybody. So got to see all the nieces and nephews and their children as we get older. It was great. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. SSC had a pretty good weekend. It was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun making that video Saturday morning on updates and a few pickups. We're going to hit some silver really hard probably this week, or I say really hard. It's a pretty good chunk. Just got a few things in the works before we do that. So gold and silver updates. We're kind of doing things a little bit different this morning. Happy coffee, everybody. Oh my gosh, all over the United States. Happy coffee. All over the world. Just keep picking up more and more viewers from Oklahoma, more and more viewers from England, in Australia. We appreciate you guys. Canada, golly, Canada's really, really exploding in our viewership. And I'll go over that with you in a minute and tell you, hey, how my channel's doing. I started March 15th of 2025. So we'll talk about that here in just a minute, if I can remember. As you guys know, I say, well, we'll talk about that. And sometimes I forget. So, what is silver going to do today? I expected when I got up this morning that it was really, really going to shock me. But so far, it really hasn't shocked me, but it's doing pretty good. So our precious metals green light is a go, guys. We're doing good today. So we got the green light on. We don't have the red light on. Green light is a go for up. So, gosh, gold is at 42.07. Hang on just a sec. Got to take a sip of my sippy cup coffee bear. What is this? This is Southern Praline Pecan. So we're going to try it. I haven't tried it yet. I've saved it for you guys. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay. All right. We just keep discovering different coffees, which are pretty awesome. 42.07.90 on gold this morning, guys. What are we doing here on silver? Now check this out. Okay. We're at 58.42. We're getting ready to open our markets. We may have already just opened. I'll look at some other stuff. I'm changing a few things up on the precious metals updates just a little bit. Kind of looked at a few things last night. It was kind of fun. I'm like, hey, I'm going to start talking about that. Silver, 58.41. It's up 14 cents, guys. Last night it dropped below 58. And I'm like, okay, well, all right, we might have a little dip. And that would be awesome. We could go out and buy more silver. About even gold, but I'm a silver guy. I'm betting on silver, everybody. I can buy a whole lot more silver for what 1 ounce of gold cost me. So that's what we're doing, and I'm betting on silver prices for 2026, big time. So 58.42 now. Platinum's doing really good. Sober Stacker made a little video on platinum fractionals, and I'm like, well, I really never be honest with you, I really never looked into it, and boy, he wasn't kidding, guys. It makes no sense to me to spend $1,200 or $1,300 for a half ounce of platinum. He is so correct on that. When it's at 1656 even right now, and it's up. But then again, it's a bet like a lot of other things. So you're taking a risk on that too. And even a quarter ounce of platinum is really expensive. So yeah, because it's so rare, premiums are really, really high on platinum. So it is an extremely rare metal. I'm going to still say buy some platinum because I think platinum will outperform maybe even gold at some point when the supplies really start running out. But palladium is at $14.57. It's up $15 an ounce. Let's look at Hong Kong market, guys. Hong Kong on silver. So Hong Kong is 57.05. So that plays a part in driving our prices. So Hong Kong's at 57.05. Mumbai is at 57.75. London, which is a huge player, everybody, is at 58.17. Now, these are actual spot prices, right? Not the futures, which I'll tell you what the futures are here in just a second. I don't go off futures. You should not go off of futures unless you're buying futures, right? Unless you're buying contracts. 58.86 in the United States. So we're doing really good right now. As the market's open, 58.86. I'm sure that's what it is. It may not be, because this one's kind of new. This is New York, guys. So the gold and silver ratio is 71.98. 71.98. So it's doing really, really good. Let's look at some COMEX. I mean, I'm going to tell you guys, if you're looking at the COMEX for prices on gold and silver, I think you're looking in the wrong place. We talked about this Saturday. Don't look at the COMEX or futures prices because that's a paper price. But guys, that's a bet. They're betting on silver and gold and precious metals to do this. So they say, okay, it's going to go up to $65 an ounce, and it really doesn't. So, or the spot price goes up, that we'll see. It's a bet. It's a gamble. I mean, you could lose a lot of money on the futures. So, but the COMEX right now shows, this is what will fool you. It shows it at 58.91, but it's really not 58.91, guys. The actual true spot price on silver is 58.31. So you see the difference right there on how much more a lot of times the COMEX or the futures prices are than actual spot metal prices. So let's move on to gold backs. The gold back exchange rate is the same as it was on Saturday when we had our updates, because it doesn't actually update. If you're new into gold backs, the gold back website doesn't update until about, I think it's 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. It's Colorado time, basically. So $8.42 in exchange rate on gold backs. Fantastic. I love gold backs. I love it all. I'm a pirate, right? Just like all of you guys out there. Happy coffee right here. Are we at 4:30? Yes, we're at 4:30 in the morning. My usual, right? Every morning I wake up and I say, yeah, I'm going to sleep in. I think the good Lord's pushing me to do this, guys. He's got the green light saying SSC rock and roll. I'm gonna tell you what the channel's doing here in just a minute, but Copper is at 545, holding strong at 545, doing really good. And we got a new precious metal we're going to talk about: coffee beans. I told you guys, coffee. Coffee is at $3.70 a pound right now. $3.70 a pound, guys. They're talking about. I looked at this. It's like, oh wow. I'm looking at silver and I'm looking at gold right here. We got supply factors influencing prices, supply, tariffs, currency, market speculation, coffee. All right. So I guess right now there's poor harvests in Brazil and Vietnam, and they tightened our global supply. So we're in a supply shortage, a coffee bean supply shortage, everybody. Had to throw that one in this morning. I might even throw that in every morning just for giggles. What fun is that, guys? I mean, it's a lot of fun. So let's look at something here real quick. So, hey, I've been in basically by the 15th. It'll be a year since I started this channel. No, it won't. It'll be 9 months since I started this channel. 9 months, guys. Brand new channel, basically. 9 months. We're 411,640 views, and that hasn't updated today yet. And as far as our subscribers, guys, 4,233. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for that. Like I said, I'm just the quarterback. You're the team. You're protecting the quarterback. You're watching the videos. You're hyping them. You're subscribing. You're sharing them. They're pushing my channel, and it's really helping. And I really appreciate all over the world. Tell your friends. Say, go watch SSC. He's just a normal guy in Oklahoma. No studio, no nothing, just hanging out in his living room doing videos from my living room to yours. So what a great Monday. Although everybody, we have to go back to work, right? So so let's go over our metals prices before we get off of here once again, and then I'll be getting ready to head to work. And all right, so 42.0530 on gold, 58.39 on silver. It's coming down just a little bit. What is it going to do today? Let's talk about that. Everybody, make sure you comment. What do you think it's going to do today? What do you think it's going to do this week? I mean, we're so close to 60, everybody. Really close to $60 per ounce on silver. Platinum 16.54 still, and 14.95 on palladium. And rhodium really pretty much hasn't changed. It's at 7,800. And let's see here. Yeah, they haven't actually shown anything. The gold to silver ratio has changed a little bit, 72.03. And of course, what's the COMEX? COMEX on silver right now, let me refresh this, because on this you got to refresh it, is 58.88. Futures, don't look at those. Use Kitco, guys. Everybody have a great Monday. Have a fantastic week. Let's see what's going to happen with our gold and silver and precious metals prices this week, guys. Keep watching, hype these videos. Well, really our biggest goal is to hit over 1,000 every morning update on our views. So that's a goal I've got. We're kind of getting there. We're like silver right now. We're up and down. We're not like the big boys that get 20,000 views in 20 minutes, guys. That's crazy. It would be cool. It'd be fun to see that, but it just hasn't happened. So, and I don't care. Everybody have a great Monday. SSC, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. Guys, we are out.